Next, to install our store's template, find the Appearance tab here on the left-hand side. You'll hover over it and click on Starter Templates. To choose your page builder, you'll have to click on the back button here in the bottom left. And now you'll see two options here for your page builder, the WordPress block editor and Elementor. For this video, I'll be using the WordPress block editor, which is a bit less flexible, but here's why we're going with it. Elementor is a bit easier to use and gives you more flexibility when it comes to building your online store, but to use it with WooCommerce, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. So to keep our store completely free to build, we'll be using the WordPress block editor. And if you decide that you would like to use Elementor to build your website instead of the WordPress block editor, we have a super helpful tutorial on this YouTube channel that I'll link in the card in the top right. So I'll click on the WordPress block editor icon here. And now I have that selected as my page builder. And with that done, you now have access to hundreds of free templates. So let's go ahead and find the one that we want to use for our store. Let's start by clicking on the e-commerce category here to see all of the store templates. And you'll notice that any template that has this yellow premium tag on it is a paid template. But any other template that doesn't have that is completely free to use. So I'm going to scroll down and I'll be building a clothing store for this tutorial. So I'll go with the fashion designer template here. And here you can actually upload your site logo. You can change the font and color palette if you'd like to do so. I'm going to change the font here, and I'll scroll down slightly and click on Continue to move on. Next, we'll want to choose the features that we want on our website. And by default, you'll see that we have the page builder, our contact form, e-commerce, and SEO features selected. Just go ahead and keep all of these selected. And there are some other optional features here if you'd like to include them. I'm just going to stick with the default here. And then if I scroll down, you'll see that there are some additional plugins that will be installed and activated for us, but don't worry, these are all completely free to use. Once you're finished here, just scroll down and click on Continue to move on. And then here, you don't actually have to fill out any of your personal information if you don't want to. So just scroll down and click on I understand, let's go. And then click on Submit and build my website. Your website will now be built, and this again will take a few minutes to complete. And there we go, our website is now ready. Let's go ahead and click on View Your Website. So this is what the homepage of my website looks like, and now obviously if you chose a different template, this is going to look slightly different for you. But no matter what template you chose, once you arrive to this screen here, you can start customizing your store and website to make it look exactly how you want.